Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to repeat or loop a video in Windows Media Player. So first of all, launch open Windows Media Player. Simply click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now simply type in Windows Media Player. You'll be able to find the best match for Windows Media Player over here. Simply click on this option, Windows Media Player. Now you can see over here the Windows Media Player will be opened. What you have to do is simply click on the video that you want to open. Once you do that, you can see over here that particular media will be opened. So if you want this particular video to keep on repeating again and again even after it is finished, what you have to do is turn on the repeat. So for that, simply look right over here. You'll be able to find several icons. This icon is for turning the repeat on. So simply click on this icon. Now the repeat has been turned on. Now when you play the video, you can see over here it will play again after it has been finished. So like this, you'll be able to repeat or loop a video in Windows Media Player. So that is how you repeat or loop a video in Windows Media Player. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.